that noise right there drives me absolutely nuts. I cannot stand that sound. Guys, go ahead and subscribe to the video if you hate that squeegee noise on this styrofoam. It is a beautiful day, guys. It is a beautiful day. I wish it was so beautiful, and not that it's not, but I wish it was so beautiful from a different standpoint, because today, guys, I'm sending my scooter back. I'm not happy about it, but I'll fill you guys in as we put this thing in the box. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so here goes the scooter that I've been riding. This scooter is excellent. I'm glad I'm making this video so you guys can kind of see some of the accessories, which I don't want to go over in this video. I want to wait till a later video when things are going a little bit better. To be honest with you guys, I'm a little upset. I've owned this scooter 1 week, and from the time that I opened it, I had issues with it. Now you can see the box behind it. I covered their name up because I don't want to slander their name, because they are going to correct this issue, and they're going to let me return this one, and I'm going to go into reasons why I'm going to return this one. But the good thing is the company is working with me. They're going to let me return this, and the good thing is I can kind of give you guys a quick jump start to let you know that I'm not getting another and I don't want to tell you the brand, that's the reason why it's hidden right there, but I don't want to spoil what I'm going to be getting here in the future. But I'm going to be getting a better model of this. Let's just say we're going to be getting a better model scooter than this one, and I'm really excited. I really cannot wait until it comes in. I'm going to be sending this one back. I have to pay the difference, so that should let you know that the next one that's coming in is going to be a little bit more expensive. But yeah, I'm taking off all my accessories now, and this one is getting ready to go back in the box in which it came. And guys, this is how the box came. You can see there's tears, there's rips, there's all kinds of punctures all in this box, which I wasn't upset with. I was more so upset that I bought this new scooter, and to some it might be a toy, and I'm not gonna lie, it's a complete toy, but it's also transportation, guys. It is also transportation. So I was using this thing to commute to and from work. I wasn't using it to dog it out or try to abuse it or anything like that. Who spends, you know, X amount of dollars, let's just say, on a scooter and then tries to dog it out? So I try to just ride pretty easy, take care of my things, and that way I can get the majority of the life out of it. But this thing is going back in the box, guys, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how you fold this scooter down, put it away, and pretty much reverse of when I took it out. Let's go ahead and just get into the video. I'm going to play some music because I don't really need to talk about everything. You guys are going to see it for yourself. All right, let's get it, guys. A little wrong, but you guys can see there was a little debris. I wiped it off, I kept it clean, so I wanted to give it back the same exact way, guys. So Fluid Free Ride, that's the company that I got it from. I hope you guys respect that I'm giving it back pretty much the same way that I got it. Now I wish they had a little handle right here. If they had a handle right here, and I hope you guys can see that, looks like you can. If they had a handle here, you would be picking up ideally in the center, and there's no clip to keep the handlebars down, so that's another thing that you guys need to worry about. I almost forgot one thing. This actually needs to come off, so I need to get 4 Allen keys and pop it off right here. I'm gonna go get that real quick. I will let you know that the issue that I had with the scooter, and I'll play a quick video for you guys right now. So as you can see from that video, yeah, As you guys can see from that video, there's a lot of noise coming from the rear wheel on this thing. So I want to get that. I wanted to get it taken care of, but after careful consideration and after a lot of research, I'm not the only one that has a problem with that noise in the wheels. And then, so when I say wheels, it's both wheels. It's not just one. So guys, if you're gonna buy this, keep that in mind. Funny thing is, man, I had this sitting in my back. Me and my old lady went to this bargain shopping place where you go shopping for Amazon, they give you these bags. Anyways, fluid free ride. I hope you guys love the consideration I'm giving you guys when I'm shipping this. And I hope you guys consider that, because I'm sure you probably have some angry customers that you dealt with that didn't necessarily care how it got back, but I'm not one of those customers. So that's why there's a hole in the side of the box. The kick fan pops right out on the side. So that was my issue. I had a 180. I'm gonna wrap it up. You guys will check me out once I got tape on the edges. Let's get it! Almost forgot these. I'm sure they would have charged me a lot of money for these. And yes, guys, if you guys are wondering, I'm at my car dealership. Yes, I do own a car dealership. So if you guys need a car, make sure you guys hit me up. I can help you find a nice, reliable car at a good price. But let's finish this off, guys. I'm almost finished. This thing has been a workout, man. I'm almost done. Man, we are ready to load this thing up, man. Let's go ahead and load her up. Guys, man, this is a good time for me to tell you, I want to offer these for sale, man. So if someone knows the owner, please tag them, please have them get a hold of me. I reached out to plenty of Cabo teams, but I'm very serious. I really like this product. Guys, hit me back. My number is 321-421-7496. I'm gonna take you guys with me to go drop this off at FedEx, baby. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry, I had a little bit of business. So we are back and we are here. And I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not. Maybe here you can. Yep, you guys can see that. I don't want the scooter guys to think that I'm necessarily talking crap about them. Let's go see if they got a dolly or something. No one's in here. It's always empty in here. Thank God they got a dolly. Get this dolly out here. All right, let's see if we can get her down here, mates. Maybe we can just drag it. Ugh. Yeah, I think we could just drag it, guys. Maybe not. Let's see what we can do here. It's not too bad. Look at that. It's like perfect. Alright, let's see if we can tilt this thing off or just let it down. Let's see how much this thing will cost. Hello, how do you do? Good, how are you?
It's already labeled?
It is, like, not labeled, but I have this here.
Ow!
Which I got a good feeling I'm screwed on paying the shipping fee.
No.
No?
No, they've sent you a prepaid. This is paid.
Even though it says bill sender, it's paid for.
Yeah, so unless they probably...
They'll get me on the back end, I'm sure.
But anyway, yeah, you don't have to pay for that shipping.
How much
they're going to get a discounted fee probably anyway.
Why so?
But their company, different companies get really good deals, so yeah.
How much do you think this weighs? Like, do you know, or are you going to weigh it, or?
They're estimating it at 125 pounds, so that's probably about accurate.
Yeah, and how much does it cost typically to ship 125 from Melbourne to Miami?
Actually, it wouldn't be too bad even if you paid on your own. It was $159.01.
That's not too bad. I was thinking $200. That's not too bad.
Yeah, no, that's not too bad.
Do you need anything from me? Blood donation? Nothing?
You're good. You're
I'm
all
good
set.
to go. And you're gonna take care of her, you promise?
I sure am.
What do you think? I paid $3,000 for it. It's a scooter. And it goes 50 miles an hour.
Does it?
Charge it up, it goes 50 miles one way. Yep, 50 miles an hour.
How much was it?
$2,800.
Nice.
But you'll never pay for gas, right?
Right.
$3.50 right now for a gallon. I was driving it.
Oh, yes.
Driving it every day to work for a week and a half. It has a factory issue, so it's sending back another one.
Yeah, but what if it's raining? Then you take the car, you suck
Take
up
the car.
gas.
I own a car dealership, but I'd rather drive something fun, you know?
That's awesome.
You guys take it easy. Have a good one. Nice talking with you. There you go. Oh, man. So I got my receipt here. And it is shipped, guys. Fluid-free ride. Thank you for paying, man. I'm sorry if I sounded like a jerk. I apologize. That was not my intention, guys. But yeah, man, we are out of here. We got some time to wait before it comes in, man. Before the new one comes in, guys. Oh, man. Like I said, guys, please like, subscribe, and comment, man. I'm out of here. I got to go back to the office. I got business I got to take care of. After all, I do have a full-blown auto dealership to run. Make sure you guys visit my website, rollinmotors321.com. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Later.